Hey guys, Matt, IronTrap Garage, working on the free T again. So we're gonna kind of do an overview video of just everything we have going on. I'm gonna work on sanding some of the welds on the frame and getting the frame all prepped. After getting all the welding done, I just need to go over everything, sand it smooth, kind of radius any edges, get it all prepped up so that we can get it sprayed with rust encapsulator and then chassis black. And meanwhile, Mike's gonna work on tearing down some of the suspension parts and steering parts. We got to gather together some brake parts like backing plates and things and tear them down, blast them, get everything ready, so we'll be in the mode of doing all the paint work. And then I'm going to take a quick trip over to our buddy Jamie's house and do some powder coating. So we're going to powder coat the hinges, the latches, the catches, all that stuff for the body, just in some Eastwood satin black powder coat. He has a Eastwood powder coating set up over there. He's more set up for some of that kind of work, so we kind of trade our spaces when we need to do different things. So should be pretty fun. So we'll show you an overview of everything and where we're at on the car, and hopefully we'll be close to paint here soon. All right, so we went pretty late into the night at Jamie's house. He was nice enough to let me use his powder coating kit, and it does take quite a while to do that process. We didn't cover the whole evening, but basically the cleaning, the prepping, the baking it, powdering it, baking it again, that whole process takes hours. And even though we were doing some small parts, it took quite a bit of time, but we got them all done. I can now take all those parts, bolt them onto the body, and we can, after we wet sand and buff the doors, we can mount the doors up, get them all latching and on the body so that when we can put the body on the frame, it'll be ready to go. I got a good head start on sanding the frame. Mike also got a good head start on breaking everything down and starting to wire wheel and blast parts to get them ready for paint. So we're gonna do a whole lot of just painting and making stuff nice in the next handful of videos, I hope. And hopefully I'm done welding for a while, hopefully. And yeah, we'll be making stuff shiny, which is awesome. So that's all I have for this video. I appreciate you guys following along the build. We do videos on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. If you haven't subscribed, definitely click the subscribe button. We have a bunch of neat stuff coming up throughout this summer, including doing some vehicle features, some adventures, and obviously our build videos will be getting back on Andrew's Sweet 16 project here really soon, and I will be on the Sweetheart Roadster again once this thing is a little closer to done. Thanks guys, catch you later.